How to launch a product. Imelda, how to launch a product? What a big question, all right? So you have to have the branding in place, right? Like if you really wanted to launch a product, first of all, you gotta have a product and you gotta know what the product is going to serve, how it's gonna help other people, how it's going to make an impact in the world, right? And ideally, I would always tell you that if you want to start an e-commerce brand, it is a no-brainer to start on Amazon. Why? Because like Ezra said, and I talk about all the time, there's already traffic and there's already a platform. Amazon has already over 100 million monthly unique buyers in the US and a lot more people around the world. Because of that, you wanna take your product and you wanna form it, put the brand, put the label, structure it, get it all like ready for presentation to the world, and then you want to send that out to the Amazon warehouse, create an account on SellerCentral.amazon.com and get started. There's a lot of great people teaching you about Amazon. And once you get rolling on Amazon and you start generating income and you get revenue, then you grab some of that cash and you start building your own e-commerce outside of Amazon, because that's more of a long-term strategy. You're gonna go to Shopify.com and build your website yourself. Click, drag and drop, put some images there, some copy, some headlines, put your products, and now you have a website. And now you have to start figuring out funnels to bring people into your store. So that will be the simplest way to explain that process.